Guys, it's Rustykins here, and today I'm going to show you my favorite AnimalJam animal to my least favorite that I have currently. Later on I'll make a list of all of the AnimalJam playable animals, and I'll do my favorite to my least favorite, but for right now I'm going to be rating my own designs and creations. As you see right now, I always use King to start out my videos because, I don't know, for some reason I've always used an Arctic Wolf since my old account, so he's just been my main. So that being said, I think my least favorite animal that I have is probably one of the owls. Oh, that is a glitch. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? I changed my animal and now King's up. Bruh. I ended up recording a glitch. Oh my god. Oh no. King, I'm so sorry. Yo, King's the floating phantom mass. Holy crap. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm back, and now we have this monstrosity. Oh, wait. There we go. Okay. Oh, no. Some of the movements don't work unless I move a certain direction. Oh, AnimalJam, I love you in all of your glory. See, the sit animation isn't even working. What is up today, AJ? Jesus. So, since I can't change animals, I guess I'm gonna have to just do this, which is gonna suck. It's gonna make the video very, like, not as fun as I want it to be. Is it still gonna let me? Okay, I thought it was still gonna let me fly up. Anyway, this is my other Arctic Wolf, which goes by the name of Mythical. And I think my least favorite out of all of them is probably Flora. I don't use her at all, like, ever. And then we have King, and I use him very rarely. I don't really use any of the birds, to be honest. The birds I only use when I need to go and binge play Forgotten Desert for rare items. But as you can see, the rest of them just aren't loading. Oh, wait, we got them down here. Oh, can I switch to this? Is that possible? Yes, it is very possible. I have this guy. I don't know how I got him. I think I got him when I was playing around December. Oh jeez.
Look at the deer.
Look at him go. He leaves like a little pattern behind it. So cute. But yeah, deers are okay. I don't really use deers. I don't really use any animal besides an Arctic Wolf. I did, however, recently buy, you know, this just isn't gonna work. This isn't, it's lagging so bad wow, thanks. It's doing it again. God, give me a minute. Alright, so we're back, after a brief, problem with the glitching. I really don't know what happened. I guess it was like my internet on my side was messing up, and it wasn't letting me switch animals, so that being said, let's finish this video ASAP. Alright, so yes, the animal I use very frequently is my Arctic Wolf. As you see with most people in AnimalJam, they use the Arctic Wolf as their character, which is very basic, but I mean, he looks cool. What do you expect? Alright, so, switching to my least favorite animal out of the bunch. I really don't like any flying animal in the game, because, in my opinion, they don't really look good with a lot of the items in the game itself. Especially, like, the dance option, like, it's not even a dance. You're just constructing music. Like, look at that. I don't understand. That's labeled as a dance, but that's not a dance. It's one of the things I don't like about it. Then there's just a lot of things. And, like, what is this? Are those babies? Like, how did I become pregnant with eggs and then babies? That just doesn't make any sense. But I mean, I guess that's a thing. I don't understand. But yeah, birds, don't really like them in AnimalJam, but there's something. And then I know that I was trying to show off this guy, the deer. I don't really have use for the deer. I don't use him as much as I probably should. I mean, he's really cool. He leaves like this really cool trail. I don't even know if it's a boy. Is it a boy? I don't know. His name is Artistic Rednose. He's got some pretty sick emotions and stuff. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. But then again, I mean, he's just something that I would use when Christmas comes around, because obviously he's got a Christmas thing going on around. So yeah. You can change his pattern and stuff, so pretty interesting. But yeah. Alright, moving on. So yeah, I don't really use the deer unless it's like Christmas time coming around. Because, I mean, I just don't got a lot of use for them. A lot of the items don't look the best on them. Like, that's really bulky. And I don't know how I like that. But yeah, pretty bulky, pretty weird. Don't really like it, but moving on. Okay, so I just got this guy today with my diamonds. And I thought, y'all know that one horse race game that you can play in AnimalJam, where you can see your horse and all its items and all this glory and stuff. Yeah, I thought that if I were to have him, that I would be able to go and do the race with him, because that would have been cool. I mean, look at him; he's sleek, he's cool looking, but you can't. So I mean, that's pretty much the only reason why I got him. And his dance reminds me a lot of the fox's dance in a way. I think that's what it was. But yeah, he's pretty cool. He's got like some pretty sleek body motion. And it doesn't look too derpy. It's a really cool, nice model. I like that stance. Items fit pretty well on him too, so that's pretty interesting. Moving on, I got the direwolf today too. I sold some of my wristbands for 50 diamonds, so I could get new models to play with. But yeah, the direwolf, I think the only thing that I really like about the direwolf is the play option is really cool and neat. I think it was really, really interesting. I like how he digs up a bone because it's absolutely adorable. And then he buries it again. It's cute. The sitting is really cute because he's crossing his arms. He's so grumpy. But yeah, there's not much to the direwolf. I mean, he's pretty cool. The spike collar looks very bulky on him. Honestly, I think if I was able to choose his name without it being randomly picked, not like randomly picked, you know what I mean, if I was able to like type in his name without the wheel, I'd probably name him Superus because he just looks like he could guard the underworld for some reason. So yeah, also like this little open mouth thing going on in his like little picture is kind of annoying. And also headdresses look very weird on them for some reason. But yeah, the direwolf's pretty neat. I think he's probably my second favorite compared to the Arctic Fox. Not Arctic Fox, Arctic Wolf, only because, I mean, he's a wolf and come on, he's grumpy. I like it a lot. Moving on to the next one I had bought today is the Coyote. Or Coyote, and I love his little like tail wag thing that he does. It's really cute. And his dance is really adorable. But you notice with him he doesn't have the red eyes because you cannot change the inner ear color, which I think is pretty like stupid. I mean, it kind of just like stays purple for some reason. And it doesn't change with the eyes. It just stays purple. So I didn't really like that feature a lot, but I mean it's still cute nonetheless. He chases his tail, all that good stuff. I think he's pretty cool, yeah. Moving on to the red panda. The red panda's pretty cool. As you can see, she's one of the ones that aren't as dark and gloomy as the rest of my characters, but yeah, she's pretty cool and cute. I like the big head that she's got going on for her. Play options are really adorable. Look at her little penguin, so cute. Hop option is adorable. Dance option is kind of cute. A little weird singer break dance, but I mean, still pretty cute nonetheless. Alright, moving on. We have the Fennec Fox. Now the Fennec Fox was really weird because the way that the setting animation is very derpy. I'm not a big fan of the Fennec Fox. I also bought this one today with my diamonds, but I don't think it's worth the purchase in my opinion because, I mean, it's just really weird looking. And I just personally don't like it. And I don't know what this was. What it looks like she's wearing red shoes. Very weird. But moving on. Moving on to the Arctic Fox. Now this one's pretty cool. I mean, oh yeah, that's what, okay, so the Arabian horse has the same dance basically as the Arctic Fox, not the regular fox. But anyway, now the Arctic Fox is pretty neat, as you can see. I mean, that sleeping thing's really cute. As you can see, this one I don't play much because it doesn't have my signature look, which is the dark exterior looking. But it's still cute nonetheless. It's just not my favorite, and it's not one that I use frequently. Moving on. My regular wolf, obviously I don't use it because I'm a member, and I have no use for regular non-member animals until I become non-member. So yeah, and you all already know the basic stuff for the regular wolf, so let's move on to another subject I want to talk about. Is it worth your diamonds to get a certain animal? And if not, why not? Now, with the Arctic Wolf, usually you get him if you make a purchase in Target for a gift card. That's how it was back then. I don't know if it's changed now. But definitely worth the purchase, 10 out of 10. A lot of people use them. Obviously, they're very mainstream and very overrated. But, I mean, they're used a lot and they're pretty cool. Their dance move is pretty neat. The Fennec Fox, like I said, I don't think it's worth the amount of diamonds that it costs. It's really derpy, and I think they could have done better with the modeling because the ears flop forward, and it's really weird. Coyote, it's worth it to an extent if you're wanting to do something with a purple palette because you cannot change the inner part of its ear. So, Red Panda, worth it to an extent if you like cutesy things. I'm not really one for cutesy things, but I mean, there's that. Direwolf is definitely recommended. He's really cool, and if you like grumpy characters, I highly recommend him. Arabian horse is neat if you like horses. Can't use him in the races, which I thought you could do, which is kind of disappointing, but not gonna lie, he's still pretty cool. Owls and any flying birds, I would recommend getting an eagle or something, or a hawk. I only use them for the desert adventures, so I don't have much input on them. Or I mean, if you like birds, I mean that's something for you. The deers, if you're something for like the holidays, I would definitely recommend them because I mean they show off a lot of Jamaliday spirit. So yeah, so that is my list of AnimalJam animals that I like and dislike. And I hope you all enjoyed the video regardless of my constant rambling and the problems that we had in the beginning of the video with those weird glitches. So, I mean, if you want to see more videos like this, I guess just let me know.